Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Realme Neo 7X won't send text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the messages app. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back and check your network connection works properly or not. After check your network connection, then click on system and update and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and then here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.